Today I will be talking about bioelectrochemical system, based on article published in in Environmental Technology under leadership of Professor Deepak Yadav. The world is saying what can achievements be, and in the bioelectrochemical papers, and this shows us that electrobial synthesis, microbial solar cells, and more. This system can produce both hydrogen and methane, but also nutrients, soap, metals, ethanol, electricity, and acetic acid. This shows us that they can produce these substances. And why it is important? Because it is possibility to reduce our waste, and moreover, reduce side waste, reduce the carbon dioxide greenhouse effect with production of biofuels or some organic chemicals. And here we have several attempts based on literature. So we have some single chamber microbial cell producing hydrogen from molasses, wastewater, and molasses. And from these three, the production rate was increased from molasses, waste, water, and then fermentation, which 0.7 milliliters of hydrogen per gram of waste. And the cost was the lowest from the other one, just 0.75 euro per kilogram of hydrogen obtained. And this reactor volume was 2.8. And other types are acetate, made by double chamber, but not so high, and methane, even more heat-dried single chamber or double chamber was more efficient, and other cases as methane with acetate and formic acid butyrate in isopropane. The first was talking about hydrogen and as clean profile of obtaining microbial electrolysis. The most least energy is needed for, according to this article, to reduce acetic acid. So acetic acid, if you obtain and produce more or less, liters 0.12, 0.4, which is suitable for 0.8, and this is much better than water, which needs 1.2 and needs some extra supplementary energy for break. This is Del Hu et al. Designed even correction for building photocathode to overdo this trouble or natural trouble of 1.22. And this is the reason, this is the show. And in the study, interesting was that from glucose splitting was also high energy without any necessary addition of charge, producing 3.367. So 7 grams of hydrogen per 126 gram of glucose. So this is quite high as efficiently and better than, for example, butyric pathway in drug fermentation, where in only butyric acid and 2 hydrogen moles. So this is the one. The methane production is require less because less energy is required. Direct production is from carbon dioxide with hydrogen, and methane can be easily transported, releases 810 kilojoules of heat. Therefore, we see that scale-up purpose is mixing the dark fermentation of anaerobic digestion. So, which the organic streams goes firstly to dark fermentation, then some hydrogen obtained is put to anaerobic digestion, and the waste water which is not digested by two can be efficiently split up by microbial electrolysis cell, and here is shown as two-stage microbial cell electrolysis is as most efficient one. In case if we want to suppose some more, including water, there is needed a photocathode. And this shows us that the problems, and this is how to solve it. Another setups which are used is volatile fatty acid to produce just volatile fatty acid like acetic acid or propionic acid, mostly acetic acid because but huge demand, and this is similar wastewater, splitting wastewater obtained on cathode some acetic acid. This is the other cases. Metal recovery. Metal found in the wastewater reduced to the lowest toxic form using metal microbial fuel cell. Metal act as the final electron. Yeah. Cut to final electron acceptor instead of oxygen in the cathode, and during this process the toxicity gets reduced. Microbial fuel cell can be combined with other biological processes like bioabsorption, bioaccumulation, and biotransformation. Various metal ions like cobalt, chromium, gold, palladium, copper, selenium have been reported to get reduced at the cathode without applying any potential, whereas other series require like zinc of nickel of lead or cadmium or cobalt require this. Rickey and co-worker designed microbial fuel cell reactor. We combine with anodes with some semiconductive or conjunctive junction polymers that helps absorb solar light to help reduction and such obtain recovery of copper even 83%. So we see that besides that we split water, split some compounds of hydrogen, we can also collect and sell metals that then can be used in other case with use in sustainable way. So this is the very important applications here. Applications. The challenges is the field applicability has various challenges. Major include low power densities, the poor performance at the cathode, low removal degradation of pollutants, and high economic costs associated with the membrane material. The treatment cost of wastewater is higher in microbial